Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the one you love and hold them tight. So happy together. If I should call you up to spend some time, and you say you belong to me and ease my mind, imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody like you all my life. When you're with me, baby, the sky will be blue all my life. Me and you, no matter how they toss the dice, it had to be the only one for me is you and you for me.
Yo, 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 yo.
Chilla la 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 boom boom chilla. Chilla la 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 boom boom chilla.
Says she wanna walk on me now. Burn up your body like you gasolina. Mommy, you got me coming left on me now. I know you got your eyes on me now. Says she wanna walk on me now. Burn up your body like you gasolina. Mommy, you got me coming left on me now. I know you got your eyes on me now.
She gon' burn it up like gasolina. कहते हैं देवर की कोई ना बारी जितना साबुन बना देना सीना. Ready set go तू ही तही मेरी winner. All the नी समझ भी on. यारियां ने strong ਅੱਜ तक ਸਾਰੇ down with the phenom. बाकी साਡੀ game ਵੇਖਦੇ ਜਾਣ. ਮੁੰਡੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਕਹਿਣ ਤੇਰੇ ਫੈਨ ਹੋਣ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ. Tra tra bailando reggaeton. Tra
Kulit. Tahimik kasi ng buhay ni ate mo dyan. Tatabi ka dyan. Oh, bebe! Baby boy. Baby! Away kayo dalawa. Baby! Kasi itong bully na to. Umalis na to. Ay. Kulit. Ang kakulitan mo, umalis si ate mo sa tabi. Asa? Umalis tuloy si ate mo. Yan, makulit ka kasi. Ay, nakadag ba na, ha? Ikaw ang kakulit mo sobra. Love you, Satoshi. Anong klaseng kick yan? Oo, makuliton ka pa, ano? Makuliton. Ano, nilayasan ka ni ate mo? Ha? Nilayasan ka ni ate mo? Ikaw kasi, papahinga si ate mo, matutulog, tatabi-tabi ka, gagalawin mo yung buntot niya, di naasar, di nasasaktan ka. I love you. Hindi ka lang cute na bata ka. Sarap-sarap buhay ah. Mashallah, mashallah. Ikaw na ang pinaka-relax. Mama, I love you.
Satisfied kaya matulog na siya.
Antok na naman yan. Mga matutulog yan, agad-agad. Oh, sleeping na yan. Sleeping na yan. Ang bilis lang matulog ng batang ito. Alatul? Alatul